So we're going to turn mixed numbers now into improper fractions. So if we want to do this, what we have to do is look at the denominator, okay, and the whole number first. And I'm going to do this one actually as a picture so you can see it. So we've got 2 wholes and 1/5. So I'm going to draw this up as 2 wholes and 1/5. Now because we're dealing with fifths, everything else here, the wholes included, let's think about them as being in fifths. Oops, so 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, oops, 3, 4. So they should be even. So we've got 2/5. So we've got all of this one, and we've got 1 extra fifth. That's what this actually looks like. Okay. Now if we count all together how many fifths we have, you can see straight away we've got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We have 11 fifths. So we know that this is going to be 11 fifths as an improper fraction. Remember that an improper fraction is where the top of your fraction is bigger than the bottom. So the numerator is bigger than the denominator. Now the other way to think about this, how did we get this 11 over 5? Well, we know we had 2 wholes, and the wholes were made up of fifths. So this part here is really the same as saying 2 lots of those fifths. So in this part, we actually have 10 fifths. That's what we have here. Plus, we have this extra fifth, so plus 1/5. And that gives us altogether 11 fifths. That's where we get this from. So what we've done is we've taken the whole numbers, we've times it by the denominator because that tells us how many pieces we have. We know we're dealing with fifths and we have 2 wholes of it, so 2 times 5, we have 10 fifths. Plus, you want to add whatever else is on the top here. So the way to do this is to multiply your 2 numbers together. So 2 times 5. We know that we're dealing with fifths because whatever this denominator is what it will be here. 2 times 5, and then we have to add on, remember our extra guy down here. So we have to add that extra 1. So these two multiplied together give us 10, and with BODMAS we know we do the 10 first. So 10 plus 1, which is 11 fifths. So what you're doing always is you're multiplying your denominator and your whole numbers together first. Multiply these together, and then these two, or this one up here, you're going to add this one last. So multiplying and then adding. So let's try that again with this one. We know we're dealing with sevenths, so our answer is going to be sevenths. We've got 3 wholes and 2 sevenths. So we're going to need to do the whole numbers times the sevenths. We have 3 wholes and they're all divided in 7, so we have 21 wholes, 21 sevenths altogether, plus this extra 2. So we've done 3 times 7, and then we want to plus this 2 at the end. So we've got, with BODMAS, we need to do the multiplication first. 7 times 3 is 21, plus 2, it's all over 7. So we end up with 23 over 7. Okay, the last one, you'll notice this is an improper fraction mixed number. So it's got a bit of everything going on here. It doesn't actually affect what we're doing because we're going to turn this into an improper fraction anyway. It's fine to just do what we've done up here. So again, we've got thirds. So if you can imagine 11 whole bars divided into 3s, you've got, dealing with thirds, you've got 11 times 3 thirds. So we've actually got 33 thirds, plus you've got another 10 thirds. So it works the same way. 33 plus 10 over 3. So that would be 43 thirds. So for these examples, we know that 2 and 1/5, the mixed number, equals 11 fifths, the improper fraction. 3 and 2 over 7 equals 23 over 7. That's an improper fraction. The top is bigger than the bottom. And the last one, which was a bit of a mixture, 11 and 10 thirds, is 43 over 3 as an improper fraction.